In Rajasthan, in a shocking incident, members of Panchayat in a tribal village blackened the face of a 45-year-old woman before stripping and parading her on a donkey as they suspected that she was involved in a murder. The shameful incident took place in Thuraval village of Raisamand district. Police has now arrested 30 people, including 9 family members in this connection after an FIR was lodged by the husband of the woman.
कपड़ा खोलिया गड्ढा पर बैठा बाल काटिया.
A shocking account of unbridled authority of a community panchayat in Rajasthan.
क्यों मारो जो थे मारो क्यों ये मैं भाई मैंने मारो देवर लागे काटा हरा दिया बना राम ने वैसे जाना मुन्ने जाना बड़े बात में क्यों मुन्ने जाना मैंने क्या थे मारो भाई मुन्ने जाना.
Yet another example of self-styled kangaroo courts that India is helpless against. This 45-year-old tribal woman of a Rajasthan village was beaten, stripped and then paraded on a donkey in full public view. Acting as the judge and jury in Rajasthan, the village panchayat in Thurval village accusing the victim of killing her brother-in-law.
रात को 4 बजे थाना क्षेत्र में जो घटना हुई है, किसी महिला के केस काट करके मुंह पे काली पोत करके निर्वस्त्र करके गधे बैठा घुमाया गया.
While she continued to be humiliated in front of the villagers, the panchayat threatened onlookers against recording the incident, making sure that there was no evidence against them.
It's shocking. It's condemnable. And it has to stop. Panchayats cannot overstep. They cannot take the law in their hands.
Culprit has to be brought to book. The whole group, all of them who have perpetrated this, they need to be brought to book. They need to be punished severely.
The shocking incident coming to light after the victim's husband lodged an FIR, forcing the police to act against the culprits.
मुकदमा दर्ज किया धारा 452, 323, 354B, 384, 386 अन्य धाराओं में मुकदमा दर्ज किया और अनुसंधान प्रारंभ किया और इसके तहत अपन ने 30 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी की.
The shameful incident drawing flack for the Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje, with Congress questioning the state government over the issue of women's safety.
Disheartening and shameful that under the rule of a woman chief minister, incidents of atrocity against women are increasing day by day.
CM should take notice of the entire incidents immediately, should arrest the people guilty for it and ensure that security is given to the women.
From issuing diktats on dress codes to delivering such outrageous verdicts that have no legal basis, these kangaroo courts doubling up as the new Indian Taliban are ruling the roost in the hinterlands, and the governments have so far been ineffective, probably scared of hurting their vote banks. Bureau Report, Times Now.